my uncle. I don't know, for example, about some connection with this uncle, but I think he was family of my father. So he was, this can be a symbol, of this what is Jewish culture for me. When I speak about this uncle, he was small because the Mengele, uh, what's the name? Is keep, the growing, yes. So he was like a normal person, not like a Nugent, but he was a normal, like a look, but he was small and very, charm and amazing man. And he had a number of 300 something. He was the first in Auschwitz almost. And he was a very funny guy. He loves me a lot. And he always bought me some presents. And I had the obsession about cars, so I collected cars, and I have 1,000 mostly. So he was one of the part of my collection. And when you see this story that the Mengele and everything is traumatic. It's like some of the book, about Holocaust, typical story. But but in the other hand, he was a very funny guy, and he had the obsession about very big German women, like typical Nazi woman, And he had a lot of lovers, even four at the same time. So for me, the Jewish culture is like this, It's not only book about Holocaust, It's something that people after Holocaust they live